Are you tired of looking like you just entered the witness protection program in your videos? Well, I'm going to show you how to fix this one issue that plagues so many people and how to get better lighting for your videos. Hi, my name is Christian Cruz and I am the head videographer and editor for Social Firestarter. And you'd be surprised how many times I've seen videos with lighting issues. And the most common problem is when the entire video looks dark and it looks like you've just entered the witness protection program, right? So we want to try to avoid that, and I'm going to show you how. So the reason for this happening to your videos is that you have the light source directly behind you, and that's a big no-no. You do not want to have the light source behind you. So if you are standing by a window or if there are lights behind you and you are filming with the camera in front of you, chances are that the camera is going to darken everything around you to compensate for that amount of light that is happening behind you. So what you want to do is you want to reverse that. In order for your videos not to be so dark, you want to put the light source in front of you and make sure you do not have anything bright behind you. And then make sure that you are completely lit, that your background is lit, and your camera is going to then adjust for that and have the correct exposure. So please make sure that you do not have any light sources behind you that is going to completely darken your video. Now, if you feel like you're in a place that doesn't have enough light for your videos and your videos are coming out grainy or distorted, you can always buy something simple like a ring light and place it right in front of you, and that will greatly improve the quality of your video and your lighting. I hope this tip was helpful, guys. If you have any questions about filming your videos or even about your marketing, feel free to reach out to our team. We are always happy to help with whatever you need. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.